Do you need a green screen but don't have the space or can't afford one? Then you need Personify Chromacam. This program will allow you to use your laptop webcam or any other webcam that you may have with a green screen effect. It's available for free to use forever with watermark, or you can buy the Chromacam Pro for a one-time fee of $30. Check it out in the description below. Hey guys, welcome to Random Fandom. In today's video, I will be discussing 3 apps that pay you money. So let's get started. First, you want to open up the Play Store, and you want to do a search for Google Opinion Rewards. After you find it, install it, and then you just open up your Google Play account. And what this app will do is it will give you short surveys with maybe like 1 or 2 questions, maybe 4 questions at like the most, and it will pay you money each time. Your first survey, when you typically get your first survey, is usually within like 48 hours after you sign up. So you're going to have to wait a little bit, and normally it will pay you $1. If we take a look at my reward history here, you can see that I've been paid over $30 worth of free Google Play credit just by using this app. Surveys typically are less than $1 though, so your first one is kind of a nice freebie. After that, you can expect surveys to pay around 10 to 40 cents or so. Also, an additional tip would be to leave on your location history. So that means turn on your GPS, set it to high accuracy. It shouldn't be too bad on your battery to do that. As long as you're not like a super duper heavy user, it will be just fine. Up next, we have S'more. You find S'more on the Play Store as well, and you can open it up after you install it. And this one, instead of just offering Google Play rewards, you can get other credit as well, and some of them have different minimums. I typically do the Amazon one because I don't have to wait as long, and Amazon sells more stuff than these other places, like AMC for example. You can go watch a movie. Well, on Amazon you can buy movies, you can buy clothes, you can buy gaming devices, or all sorts of stuff. Like some of the stuff that I bought for the top 10 tech episode, well, I got it on Amazon, and I got the money from this app here called S'more. And as you can see, I'm almost up to another $1 that I can redeem, and I've already made $4.40 so far, maybe a bit more. Let's see. Okay, about $6.50 so far. Yeah, I've made over $7 with this application alone. Actually, quite a bit of money on this application. Every 10 days, you'll get about $1, so just so you know that. Of course, with this app, there's also a chance to recruit people. So I'll go to my earn page and refer friends. So there you go. Use the code ZNVXMO and you'll help me out with my points, and that would be great. I can then buy more stuff to review on my channel, more gear to improve the video quality, all sorts of stuff. But there you go. That's my referral code that you can use. of course, if you go through and make the effort to help out my channel, I'll probably start giving people a shout out here under my friends list after I get that all set up. When people start helping out my channel, I'll have a part in the ending of my video where I just start having people's names scroll by. So there you go. And then lastly, we have SlideJoy. You can also get it on the Play Store as well. Now this one, it has the ability to pay out in PayPal credits. So this one is kind of special. Now, my review here says it doesn't really pay anything. It lags the phone, eats the data. Yeah, sure it does that, but I mean, I was still able to get paid. But the thing is, why I put this review is, it just, at least for me, it started paying slower. Which means that I have to wait much longer between payouts. And of course, there's a bunch of 1-stars here as well. And yeah, there's some issues with it, like it will switch on your screen sometimes with video ads, and also like it's not something that you want to be using on a limited cellular connection. So I'd recommend turning off your data if you don't want it to eat all your data using your lock screen for ads. But like, you can get a few dollars off of this app, and it's pretty helpful. Some people get more money than others. So like here's somebody, they got $35 with it. I haven't had that sort of luck, but it's still been a little bit of money, and it's paid me for pretty much doing nothing. So like, it's not too big of a deal. And alright, so you can see my payouts right here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, $17 is my total payout on this app. And I've had it since, let's see, 2016. So it's, as you can see, it's pretty slow at paying out, but I do get paid with this. And there's the PayPal option. It has a minimum of 2,040 carats that you gotta redeem for it. You can also have Amazon on here if you want to. But yeah, you can even get Steam rewards or even groceries with it. And this app also does have its own referral system as well. So here we go. There is my invite code. It'll be in the link description it'll be in the description below. And just like the previous referral code, you just dig through my descriptions on like all my videos. It's all there. But yeah. So that is our final app that you can get that pays you money. I still have yet to go through some other apps, but that would be saved for maybe another video in the future. But these have been the 3 that I've been using for a while now that have been paying. Out of my favorite ones, I would say S'more is the best one out of all of these. I mean, the Google Play one is pretty good, but it's only for Google Play. The S'more one is a little more flexible. And then SlideJoy is also flexible, but SlideJoy takes a long time to pay out. Also, we'll stop by our battery settings and we'll see about the battery usage of these apps. So as you can see, SlideJoy eats more battery than the others. And it's pretty obvious that it does that. It shows up higher on our list for eating the battery. Or no, S'more does here, at least. Lucktastic is pretty bad. I wouldn't recommend it. it doesn't really pay out. It just gives you like credits and stuff that are usable to basically get lottery tickets, which you know how a lottery ticket works. You're more likely going to lose, so then you're just wasting time and wasting data if you have a limited data plan. Or if you have slow internet, well, when you're watching those ads, it's going to buffer and it's just going to take longer, and since it doesn't pay you anyways, it's not really worth it. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, peace.